Hi, I'm DL, and I run Dig Deep Farm in South China, Maine. We lease about 9 acres from Three Level Farm, and the vision of the landowners at Three Level is that multiple households will co-own the land and use it for agricultural purpose. We grow on 9 acres, and so about 6 of them are always growing vegetables. We call this the south side of the farm, and it's usually our earliest ground. And then the other side of the farm tends to be a little more wet, though we were able to work that ground really early this season. Our greenhouse where we start all of our vegetable seedlings for sale and but for our fields. We sell herbs and tomatoes and peppers. And in the early part of the season, a lot of brassicas, kale, and broccoli. You can buy a bag share, which is a farmer selected share. That means we choose what goes in there each week. Or we have a market credit, which means you pay $100 and you receive a $108 credit. You pick up your bag share at the farmer's market, and then for the market credit you come and shop the farmer's market when you can and choose what you want, and then we just take what you spend off of your tab, so to speak. It's pretty fun. Cover crops are a mix of grains or legumes, and grains are often barley, wheat, or oats, and millet, and then legumes are vetch and peas. We're basically wanting to replicate a grassy system, which is perennial, as an annual cycle. It's something we try, but I think we've kind of come to expect that. So we've invested some funds from our CSA into having more mobile water that we recycle from our wash station. Also invested in a mulch layer. As an organic farmer, we really focus on soil health and crop rotation